from a legitimately hot summer day. Welcome to Smoky Goodness 2.0. It's about 11 o'clock in the morning. We're already in the mid 90s. It's brutal out here, but the show must go on. Today we're featuring something we've done several times. A lot of us have done this. It is the Keith Bettag Never Ending Popper Challenge. This is my latest entry into that. There are no prizes or anything, it's just notoriety. Today we're going to kind of keep it simple, but it's going to be good. This is really crazy. This is a really crazy idea. We're going to stuff jalapeno poppers, which will be bacon wrapped, with, does this deserve to have its own Vertigo intro? I think it does, with this. That's right, BEANIE WEENIE. Oh man, there's a reason for this. Pretty long reason for this. I won't get into that right now because let's get right on to the show. But later, maybe toward the end of the video, I'll tell you what led me to do this in the first place. So anyway, everything began with a lighter ball and a single flame. Oh, and when you're in the store looking for BEANIE WEENIEs, give it a shake. I don't know what it is with Van Camp. Sometimes these things are just thin. I mean, watered down. Other times they're perfect. If you shake it and you don't hardly hear anything, that's what you want for this. Yes, nitrile gloves. Because on a hot day like this, you never know what body part might become a little bit itchy later on. The package says thick cut. Does that look thick to you? Sure doesn't look thick to me. Oh well, false advertising abounds all over the place around here. Again, stretch the bacon. You want it to grip this popper nice and tight. Alright, I'm going to do a bunch more. We'll meet you out at the grill. A few minutes has passed since we lit the coals here. As you can see, we've got a nifty little fire going. I'm going to hit this just really lightly with some fruit wood. Been soaking for about 2 hours. This is a mixture of apple, cherry, a couple others in there. Kind of had it for a while. I just want a light kiss of smoke on the bacon that we just put on these poppers. So fruit wood it is, very light, not a whole lot. And we are using the grill dome. We're gonna set it up now. I love this thing. I know it's every mood, every quirk. I know it like the back of my hand. Get the grate on there, and we'll be back. Just got the bacon out here. It's been sitting in the refrigerator for probably about an hour. It's afternoon now, and I don't know if you can hear it, but the noise begins about this time every day. Anyway, we're going to run the grill dome from about 300 to 350, give or take. Not quite low and slow, but not exactly hot and fast. What we want to do is just cook the bacon till it's kind of almost crispy. There's a reason for that. I'll tell you again about that as we get going here. And as you can see, I do have the extended rack in there with a drip pan, because bacon grease and fire do not play well with each other, if you know what I mean. So this is the one with the funky thin bacon. I'm going to put that one right in the middle. The thicker bacon goes on the outside, and there's only one popper that I had to use toothpicks for because the bacon is a whole lot thicker than all the rest of it. What are you doing, Hormel? All right, let's let them soak up some of that smoke, and we'll be back. All right, we've been rocking the grill dome at 350 degrees for exactly 1 hour, and my spider senses are telling me that these Beanie Weenie stuffed poppers are done. So let's check it out. Oh yeah, look at that, just exactly what I wanted. The bacon is perfectly cooked. So, I'm gonna get these off. The juices are just pouring out. That is jalapeno juice popping out of there. Oh man. They smell great. Can't believe how good these smell. And for the most part, the bacon is tightened up nicely, just like I wanted. And the jalapenos are releasing their jalapeno juices. Ah yeah. Ah yeah. Check that out. Hope you can see that. Wouldn't you know it, the only popper that I put toothpicks in, the bacon let go. Hey, it's still gonna taste the same. I'm gonna get these inside. We're gonna let them rest for a substantial amount of time, because you know those beans inside these poppers are gonna be hotter than lava. So we'll do that. We'll see you inside. Stick around. So, how does it taste there, Mr. Smoky Goodness Guy? There's only one way to find out. Perfect. Bacon cooked perfectly. There's still some crunch to the jalapenos. And the Beanie Weenie, oh man. You wouldn't think that Beanie Weenie would go good with jalapenos, but it does.